Hi, I'm Steve Garrett. I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about a prediction regarding medicine. Now, we've already talked about medicine in three separate predictions. One is that telemedicine, or talking to your doctor online, is going to become a much bigger part of our future. The second thing I talked about is that this is talking to telemedicine is all possible because there's so many diagnostic tools that you can use at home, your blood glucose meter, your sphygmomanometer, your cardio thing, so many things that you can get medical readings that you can send to your doctor to help him make his position or to make his decisions. The third thing that I predicted was that this whole concept of imaging and blood chemistry, where there's going to be diagnostic centers where you can go and get much better imaging and much better blood chemistries than just a few years ago, and cheaper and faster. Along that line, I have a fourth prediction about medicine, and that has to do with COVID-19 kind of proves my point. Biologicals have come to the point that we're using something called RNA. That's messenger DNA or DNA messengers. It's a little molecule that conveys messages from the DNA to other places. And we have been perfecting this technology really for the last 30 or 40 years as we've learned more about the human genome. And it was a key ingredient in developing the COVID-19 vaccine, which is 95% effective. And we developed it in 1/3, 1/4 of the time to ordinarily required to develop a vaccine. Now, that's partially because of lower regulation or the regulatory agencies working faster and more helpful. But it really has to do with the new technology of biotechnology. So my prediction is that this biotechnology that we use to develop RNA, you're going to hear more and more about it, developing more and more strategies, more and more therapies, more and more diagnostics about medical problems and challenges in the future. That's the fourth part of my predictions about medicine. Interesting. Thank you very much for listening. I'm Steve Garrett, www.stevegarrett.com. Until we meet again.